So
and I think the connecting thread between many of these technologies we're talking about, let's unpack AI a little bit. AI is nothing more and nothing less than the capability to identify patterns in data. It could be in training, and it could be in analysis, and it could be in creating taxonomies, and it could be in many other aspects of the domain. If there's large corpus of data and we can find patterns in it, AI could probably do something useful. And the benefit of using technologies like it's Second Nature or like a Retrain and several of the other ecosystem players is that this whole area of human resources and of training suffers from a problem that I call the DRIP problem, D-R-I-P, data-rich information pools. There's a lot of data, right? You go to Udemy right now, there are hundreds of thousands of courses, and you can learn anything. And on YouTube, there are billions of videos, and on TikTok, there are trillions of videos, so I hear from the kids, right? So supposedly you can go and you can learn anything. And supposedly the employers have all the data that they need to help employees find meaningful training programs. So supposedly anybody could go and upskill or reskill themselves. Why did most of these programs fail? I think the answer is because it's data-rich information pool. And guess what? That's exactly where AI can come in. The capability to turn disparate points of data, silos of data, to unify them and to turn data into information, information into knowledge, knowledge into wisdom. That's what AI does. So if somebody's using Second Nature in order to create a sales scenario, what are they doing from an information perspective? They're taking a bunch of disparate questions, they're putting it into a scenario, they're putting it into simulation, and all of a sudden they've created data, information, knowledge, wisdom, and all of a sudden we have a system which is very simple in its components, but the combination of those components becomes a very meaningful, very emotional capability.